कभी तू छलिया लगता है, कभी दीवाना लगता है, कभी अनाड़ी लगता है, कभी आवारा लगता है.
Welcome, and today's topic is labels. So you can find label anywhere, and it is very important if you understand this well. So you will able to do filters, and you will able to identify and tag. So what is it? It is a key value attached to any Kubernetes object. So how to see label? So kubectl get pods hyphen a and hyphen show label. So you'll see a lot of data, and here you will see a label. What are the labels used? You can either let's say I run any, so let's create a pod. So we will create a pod nginx with the label nginx and environment is production. The pod is created. Let's in the default name is so kget pods and so it is an nginx pod. So kget pod hyphen so you will see our label is app equal to nginx. You can do one more thing. You can just so you can find a full file and you can just see what are the labels. So you can get output in the YAML file, and then also you can do. So if you want to get pod show labels, this is the labels. Now I want to add label. So what I will do, kubectl label pod nginx pod, and I will add whatever label I want. So channel equal to neo cloud. So now I'll get to label. So you will see here a label is there. So if I want to label a node, so nodes show label. So here also I can add the similar way the label. If I want to remove the label, then control L show control L. So here I want to remove this app equal to nginx. So just the same command and whatever the label you want to remove, app and then hyphen. So you will see here unlabeled. Now you will won't see that app equal to nginx. You won't see here. I don't advise that you update the label. Instead you remove and then reconfigure the label. Otherwise you can do with label, and here if you want to channel equal to something else, neo cloud hyphen CKS, this label happen I want. So overwrite. So now you can check this label is overwritten. So where labels are used, so in services it is used in the selector. In deployment it is used to manage the pod. In network policy it is used to allow and block traffics. In node scheduling, pod will run only on a particular node with that label. With the namespace selection, if namespace has to be selected, then we have to use this label. So you can label any resource. Label are used by services, deployment, network policy, scheduler, and if label mismatch, that's very blunder. So wherever you are putting labels, be mindful. So thank you so much for your all love and support.